Hi there, greetings from APPWRK IT Solutions. My name is Amanjot Kaur and I'm a graphic designer. Design is not just about making things look good. Instead, it's a powerful tool of communication and influence. It helps to deliver high quality products and services that leads to better user experiences and happier customers, right? Do you need a professional and clean design? The help is here. Let me solve your design task and deliver not only beautiful but also efficient design solutions. I aim to increase my clients' product revenue, help them to achieve their business goals, and make their customers happy. My fields of expertise are both digital and print media. My tools and skill sets are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, XD, CorelDRAW, Figma, and After Effects. At this point, you are probably asking yourself why I am better than all the other graphic designers out there. What makes me special? I have successful record with wireframing, websites, logos, illustrations, etc. So let me show you best of my 3 examples of previous work. Brochure design. A client was holding an event and for that he wanted to invite users through brochures. So he came to us and we helped him building the event brochure to spread a word for his business. We followed our regular approach to craft the eye-catching designs. We started building wireframes and mock-ups, and after client's approval, the final design. Flyer design. The client was getting started with his business and to fulfill the promotional needs, he wanted us to create flyers. So after discussing client's goals, we designed the flyers for his business. We adopted a regular approach and started building wireframes, then mock-ups with the help of professional tools like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, etc. And after client's approval, the final design. Website designing. Colon came to us when Corona was on its peak and affecting all the businesses equally. Colon was one of them. So we designed a platform for the 250 offline centers to help teachers and students collaborate easily online. We have done complete website designing from wireframing, mockup, and then PSD to HTML conversion. Once the designing stage was done, the project was shifted to development team and was successfully delivered to the client. My main goal is to solve meaningful problems and to provide impactful solutions, and that is why I love to work as a graphic designer. Sounds good. Now it's your turn. I look forward to helping you with your project, and thanks for your time.